Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we know about the USDINR important levels, targets, new strategy. If you're interested, please subscribe our YouTube channel and connect it with the Telegram channel. Congratulations, let's celebrations because we get more than 100% return for today's intraday trade. If you work as per our targets, you get more than 100% returns. Okay, and let's see here the USDINR importance level for tomorrow. Here 72.86 are resistance level and 72.74 are support level of USD-INR. If USD-INR breach is resistance level at a 72.86, we buy, and the targets are 72.90 and 72.95. In worst scenario, USD-INR breach is support level at 72.74. We sell, and the targets are 72.70 or 72.60. Hey friends, I hope my videos are useful for your intraday trading in USD-INR. Please like, share, subscribe, and connect it with the Telegram channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.